Good morning, Team Ismash. What are you doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're currently on day 2 of the vlog, part 2, and we have a late start to the day because we had some early mornings errand to run. So therefore we start in the morning at 9:45 a.m. and yesterday's vlog when you saw a lot of trees up there, so trees no more. Trees no more. I'm a bit short of breath because that hill. I'm gonna try to move these on top. Only these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All that pads on me, so everything else has to stay up here for me. You know, dead over time. So in yesterday's vlog when my state say 2 guys supposed to be here, unfortunately can't get another man, so I just me and Talman alone are up here, and Talman I gotta do him for the end of the day. Any reason about the final part there, but at him one I figure tackle out this. I see it work there, but workforce. So this is the most tedious part for today. The most part we can have done it here, so I'm gonna brush off the front. So guys, we have some unfortunate news. Like yesterday when I was telling you about the burnwood and what it can do to your skin, unfortunately it didn't miss him. Didn't miss it, so we're gonna check on him. We did supposed to get gloves this morning. I'm gonna go back on him to see if I get any and help out my boy. So we'll go check on him. Hold on, I eat the rest of too? Yeah. Oh. So guys, this is an example of what the association does when I live inside of a community with a good association body. They maintain the place. Simple dimple. Is it all of that I burn?
That's all chip off.
Turn around and see. Yeah, said things the other one.
Let me chip off right now, let's go. Besides stick me then and cut it a hot me.
And you want skin to you, enough is scratchy?
Enough is scratchy, enough is scratchy.
So how it come off?
Alright, the same time this come off, it turn white.
It just a drop off?
Anytime it come off, it's skin left.
Cha-cha.
Right, naturally. Anytime come off, it's skin left. And this have to go alright, this have to go dry. This have to go dry like that so. Before this can it can shell off. This can wash off like how you would have taken no wash.
So how long does that take now?
Well, me no know.
For a week or 2?
Yeah, I'm not too.
Cha-cha.
I can rub. All like that so now I have to just blow it. I can creep off it like with nothing for it.
I cut it, I cut.
Yeah, alright, you know me try like this to creep off it. It's all cut. After the cut, me no problem. Many of them are cut. Then look for me ears, man. You see for me ears?
See it, man. Eh? And that one they see rub off?
Yeah, then I make a mistake and crash last night, man. It a crash me and me just make a mistake and do so. And me say, but come me catch up me ears and me know so me not feel catchy. Yeah.
So guys, for y'all who never know exactly what me to talk or what we are described as the burnwood, this is it. It has literal burn marks like what they put on the skin and the wood itself. and a way to realize, to recognize when a burnwood from a distance, they're normally skinny and straight. They are straighter than any other tree, tree of this girth where you are going to see palm property as bush. See there, nothing but burnwood. Sorry for your wind noise. We're not alone, maca bush. Burnwood again. Burnwood. Pure burnwood. So this property, on Rasta over here, so I cut it. And brother, him man have no shirt whatsoever. And him have the same type of wood as we do. The hold on, the burnwood tree. No shirt man have, none whatsoever. The man that gangster. So change of plan, guys. We, in terms of cartaway, we just one load and then I go burn the rest. The homeowner, the property owner told me that can't burn on the land, so may only get what I call it now, contracted for use one truckload for cartaway. So it never makes sense. My cartaway just one truckload because it not gonna look much different. So I did ask the guys them what do the maintenance work if I could have burned. Tell me another way to get rid of the debris, and them say I can burn it, but I have to burn it little. So in a little stockpiles them I have. There's a burning like that without you know, causing a lot of smoke up on the hilltop or whatever. Cause I burn too much one time, big old smoke can come off a hilltop and then I really want that. So I'm gonna burn it little. I make them dry out a little bit, so in a few days time I come back up here so I'm burn, and we should be in the clear. Good day again, team Ismash. This vlog is probably all over the place, but trust me, I kinda know me though. Anyways, guys, today mark a day for me when I got, yo, I need to get some sleep, I got rest. But I'm so tired, I mean, I'm tired. I was going to do a whole new video today, but the backhoe broke down and it started working and then the tire burst. So I don't know what burst the tire, just got flat, and then take the backhoe company take basically all day to get the tire fixed. The tire just get fixed, I will just call it a day, kind of makes sense. So tomorrow again before work start back on that side, which I take my brief one. Yeah, my brief one in another video here what take place. So yeah, we'll finish for now with clearing of the lot. As I said, we're supposed to go back up there in a week time because we're gonna burn it. We're gonna burn the bush. Kinda makes sense, the cartaway only one load and the place still bushy, so we're gonna clean it up entirely and burn it. So I think I'm gonna film the part there. So for now, just know say up there done, and we're back on the other side. We're always up on the other side, but the next video are gonna be about the other side. And then with the house now where we have built 2-bedroom, that we're gonna start back that, so look out for that. And yeah, guys, it's just on a roll. And for everybody who asks me for the location of these places and all of that, wanna want to find me, brother? Come on, man, wanna want to find me? Most that. Anyways, there's some prime places, brother. As I say, place I'm gonna go clear the lot. Breathtaking, and that leads me to my next topic. Yeah, that leads me to my next topic. Guys, I'm a bit older than what you guys think I am. and I have a bit more experience than what you guys think I've garnered over the past couple of years. I've been involved in the process of buying homes, buying land, and all of that, brother. Me basically got my foot, where you say, your foot kick way, by homeowners before landowners as well, and make kind of believe me, learn from some mistakes that we make. We normally pass on to people who ask me, our clients or whatever. Only thing is not free of cost. Within consultation, you share those information with people, and brother, trust me. To be honest, let me tell you now a big thing now. But there are court right now with purchasing a property, and them under some encumbrance are gone, and then they promise to fix it and they don't fix, and they don't want to fix it now, and one bag of something going and they don't want to give back the money, etc, etc, etc. So guys, I don't know what I think. Me just yeah, brother, I am going through these things, me involved in it, brother. Me in I feel, me in it. And that's something personal when I wouldn't normally share with nobody, especially people I don't know. But you already know, you guys are my family, so you don't know things. So guys, when purchasing these properties, you have to keep in mind, man. You have to keep in mind, especially when you purchase lots like land. You have to keep in mind the association. You have to keep in mind the year where you purchase the lot in. You have to keep in mind, brother, because even this property may clear, like them can't have the bush them are grow up too high, or trees them are grow up too high. They can't do certain things within even though I feed them land, they can't do it, brother. The association and them with them problem. So every once in a while, even though the person is overseas, them have to come back, cut it, and it has the worst set of bushes on it, the burnout. And one of the things that I also did want to share with you now, when I buy a house, please, I tell you now, when I buy a house from not a developer but a homeowner, but I take for them valuation for your house, doing your own, and also doing your own survey report. It is very, very important. Make those two necessary investment, brother. It might seem a lot, just like when people are below, that some people afraid that they get a building plan because, oh, my building plan costs $300,000. Wow, I can't take that to buy some block and cement. Come on, one surveyor report plus evaluation probably running $100,000. You have to make an investment because you don't want to get tired. Trust me. Speaking from somebody who has been through it, my first purchase, I've been through something like that. Never do a valuation and a surveyor's report for myself. Evaluation part kick my foot, brother, and the surveyor's report kick my foot. Remember, so guys, consult. It's very important. You believe it costs more, but it actually save you way more. Some people score sometimes, like you know, get it and you get the property or you get the whatever and all goes well, but you better be safe than sorry. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this vlog. I'm gonna sign out now. Hope again, big up all I new subscribers them, big up all I people them will comment me soon. I mean, I remember on the name, brother. That's awesome. I start get shout out soon. Big up all the people who support the channel, donate, PayPal, all of them people there. It just, man, I'm happy and it make me feel good. And yeah guys, I just gonna continue to do this as long as I can. I promise you. I'm gonna do this as long as I can. I work hard. Even right now I'm tired, but when I say I'm tired, I mean I'm tired. I go in, edit, and I'm gonna sleep tonight. Yeah. I will see you tonight. So yeah guys, big up on yourself. Team Ismash, I'm out. Feel like the people then when I like that. Can't help on it, brother, that's my thing. But that's not nothing, you know? Big up on yourself.